Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandy and today I'm going to do a get to know me type of video, which is 50 things you didn't know about me. So number one, my parents named me after the character Sandy in Grease. Pretty much my dad did. I think that my mom named my brother and then she told my dad that he can name me whatever, and he really liked the name Sandy in Grease, so he just decided to name me Sandy. Number two, I don't really like it when people call me Sandra. I know a lot of people say it's the same thing, but it's really not. I think because most people assume that Sandy is just a nickname, but it's not. It's just Sandy. Number three, my family used to call me Sandia when I was little. I used to hate it, but I think it's kind of funny now. It means watermelon in Spanish. Number four, I'm 5 feet 2 inches tall, technically 5 inches 1.5, but semantics. Number five, I was a movie extra in the movie The Lake House and The Breakup, but you can't see me. Number six, I grew up in Illinois and lived here most of my life. Number seven, I'm more of a dog person unless I could have a baby cheetah cat or something. Number eight, I'm a pretty good cook, but it takes me forever to put meals together. Hashtag time management skills. Number nine, I'm a shy introvert, if that makes sense. Number 10, I never joined any sports teams or clubs when I was younger because I always had this fear of commitment and acceptance, which I think is pretty normal, I guess, when you're growing up, but I just couldn't get over it. Number 11, I'm usually a pretty positive person. I'm more of a glass half full kind of gal. Number 12, I don't know if this one's weird, but I kind of like it when things go awry on dates. It usually makes me laugh, and I think that these make some of the best memories. And I always think, this is gonna make a good story someday. Number 13, I like supporting smaller vendors and smaller businesses. Number 14, I'm really picky about smells like perfumes and deodorants. I can't do strong smells. Number 15, I am secretly a very messy and unorganized person. Number 16, one really bad habit I have is at picking the dry skin off of my lips, which just makes them a lot more dry, but I usually just do it without thinking about it. Number 17, I used to hate coffee and tea and then just gradually started drinking more when I kept meeting friends at coffee shops. Plus, watching Gilmore Girls all the time drinking coffee. It was kind of a taste that I had to acquire. Now I drink it regularly, and come to find out after the show was over that they hate coffee and were really drinking flat soda. Number 18, I used to spend hours and hours doing craft projects when I was younger or practicing applying my makeup. And often I think, I really wish I had YouTube when I was a tween, or actually just realized what YouTube was when I was in my earlier 20s. Number 19 is probably pretty obnoxious. When I really like a song, I play it over and over and over again on repeat for days until I don't like it anymore. How long has this been going on? Number 20, I love avocados so much that when I make guacamole, it's really hard to refrain myself and have made myself sick a couple of times. Number 21, my favorite coffee houses are Caribou, Something's Brewing, and Starbucks in that order. Number 22, I would love to travel more. The only place that I've actually really traveled to as an adult was New Orleans, Louisiana, and that was with Ben. And I really loved it there and I would like to go back sometime. Number 23, I would love to live in a more forested area because I love the woods. Number 24, I think is cool, but I visited one of the top 5 most haunted homes in America, which is the Myrtles Plantation. It was awesome. Number 25, I own multiple false lashes, but I am just terrible at putting them on, so I never actually wear them. Number 26, I like to pamper myself with face scrubs or masks or just paint my nails in my free time. Number 27, I can be such a forgetful person. Like sometimes I can remember some of the small unimportant things but then forget some of the really big important things or just dates. Number 28, I love learning. I love learning about the world, the way things work, and as a favorite, usually astronomy. Number 29, I love reading, almost any genre. I have a very picture-based mind with a sometimes very wild imagination, so it's fun for me. Number 30, I believe in uplifting others and enriching our minds. I am going to start a YouTube sub-channel where I read books, mainly kids books. I personally always liked to listen and read along stuff when I was growing up. Number 31, I love watching movies and analyzing them, critiquing them, comparing them to originals or to their original book. 32, my favorite kinds of movies are horror, suspense, thriller, and sci-fi. Number 33, or basically anything with Johnny Depp. Number 34, Tim Burton is my favorite director. He's very uniquely strange and I'm a bit strange myself. Number 35, my favorite superhero has always been Superman. Number 36, my parents made me obsessed over everything 80s. Number 37, my hands are pretty much always cold. Number 38, I enjoy board games with family or friends. Number 39, something I used to do a lot when I was going to the movie theater was bring food in with me. It started off as like small little snacks, like small little candy bars. Then I started bringing a bigger purse with me with like tubs of ice cream and then a bunch of like different spoons so that me and my friends could share, or like whole meals, like Chinese food in to-go containers, just all piled up in my purse. Number 40, I consider myself an artist because I like all art-based things, painting, drawing, airbrushing, photography, and am learning more and more about graphic design. Number 41, my first job that I had was at McDonald's and I absolutely hated it. I lasted maybe 3 to 4 weeks, something like that. Didn't help that I only got paid like $4.75. It sucked. Number 42, I've had about 26 jobs when I was a teen. Number 43, I hate spiders, creepy crawly things like centipedes, millipedes, anything with a lot of legs. I can't stand them. Number 44, I can never finish certain drinks or foods, like a sandwich or burgers. I always leave a little bit behind on my plates. I don't really know why. I think it's just like an OCD habit of mine or something. Number 45, I have an addictive personality. When I like or start certain things, I get my mind set and obsess over them. On the plus side, this has made me good in a lot of things. Number 46, I'm a very empathetic person, and I'm pretty good at sensing what people are thinking and feeling. Ooh, number 47, I used to have a diary when I was younger, but then when I got older, I threw it away because, I just could not take the immaturity of it. Number 48, I really like being comfortable most nights and even some days. I won't be fully clothed. Number 49, I love swimming when it's more quiet and secluded. And last, number 50, I am terrified of the sea and even lakes. I'm okay up to knee length, maybe even hip length. But once I can't see what's beneath me, the darkness. What if something just came up out of there and it just creeps me out? Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!